Hello everyone, welcome back to the Layman Security, where we learn cybersecurity in a simple way. In our last video, we already discussed the SIEM workflow. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, the basic functions of a SIEM tool. If you are new into the SIEM or just want to understand it in easy language, this video is for you. So let's start with the first function, log collections. Log collection is a process where SIEM collects log from various sources like firewall, a server, antivirus, application, routers. Okay. So these logs are basically records of what happening in the server or system or network. Okay, let's take an example that let's say someone logs into your server. Okay, someone logs into your server and a log will generate. Okay, that user is logged. Again, some user is try to access a file and some user try to access a USB. Same that logs is also generated. Okay, so SIEM take all those logs and store them in a one place for analysis. Now comes the second function is parsing, data parsing, normalization and aggregation. Okay, so SIEM takes those raw logs through log collection and convert them into a proper readable format, and it also makes the different type of logs look similar so that we can compare them easily. So let's example a failed login from Windows, right? A failed login from Windows and failed login from Linux. Both are different, look like a different, but same make them same and removes the duplicate data. So this through this save storage and make analysis easy. Okay, the third function is the data correlations, right? SIEM connect different events and correlate to find a pattern that may indicate an attack. It means there is a two different events. So SIEM what does? SIEM correlate both event and try to find an attack pattern. Let's say example. Say example the user 1, right? User 1 try to log in at 10 o'clock from India. Now same user 1 at 10:02 we got an event that user 1 login it from US. So that is not possible, right? The same in same time the same user cannot log in from two different zone. So SIEM will catch this and flag it as an impossible travel, which may mean someone accounts got compromised. That is correlate by the SIEM. Next is the threat detection and analysis. One of the main job of the SIEM. So SIEM rules, threat intelligence feeds, and sometimes machine learning that detect threats into the network. Say example, if any malicious IP try to communicate with your system, right? This is a malicious IP. So SIEM have that rules or threat feed which can detect those malicious IP. Say example 1.1.1.1. So once SIEM will identify that any malicious IP try to communicate with your system, it generate immediately alert, and your SOC team can check and take action on quickly. The fifth function is real-time monitoring and alerting, right? So SIEM continuously watches all incoming data and SIEMs alert if it finds anything abnormal on real time. Say example, if you have a server, okay, and anyone try to log in 10 times with wrong password, with wrong password. So SIEM will trigger as a possible brute force attack, and this help to the team respond before damage happen. So that is the benefit for the real-time monitoring. Okay, the next sixth function is the forensic and investigation. So when a security incident happens, SIM helps in tracking everything, like what happened, when happened, and how happened. So example, if in your organization there is a ransomware attack, right? Ransomware happened. So you can use the SIM to trace the entire attack, like how it come in, okay, and which user got affected, and what files are touched. Everything you can find through the historical logs. So basically, forensic and investigation is a part of SIM function which help to uh, forensic team for investigate and root cause of any incident. And the last function is compliance and reporting. So many companies need to follow legal and security rules like ISO, PCI, DSS, HIPAA, etc. compliances. So SIM help to generate the required reports automatically. Say example, if an auditor wants to see access logs of credit card, right? So you have that application and you are capturing those applications audit log into your SIM, right? So what happened? SIM will extract those access log from the audit logs and it will generate a report to the auditor. So that's way SIM help to complete the compliance and report. So friends, these are the 7 basic functions of the SIM in simple terms with example. Hope this help you understand how SIM works and why it's important in cybersecurity. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the Layman Security. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure.